Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up brown paper packages. This is a bi-monthly lifestyle subscription. There's always a theme and they are so on point with their theme, and their packaging is always so cute. It is based out of Canada, but I'm in the US, so you can obviously get it in the US as well. But I always like to mention that it's from Canada because I know some subscription box companies only ship to the US, and I have Canadian viewers, so yay. And thank you to Brown Paper Packages for sending this to me. And this is not sponsored or anything, but it was kindly sent to me, so thank you. Emmy was just right next to me, but I'm filming a little bit later than usual, and the toxic people next door kind of being loud, but I don't think they're fighting right now. So if you hear voices, I think they're actually like okay. If you guys have been around, you might have heard me mention them before. It's pretty bad, but yep, we're gonna unbox this. Of course, I will link them down below. Before we get started, hi guys, welcome or welcome back. If you're new, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and I open them every single day here around 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you like unboxing, subscription boxes and all that, I hope you consider subscribing. That would make me so happy. Oh my god, she's on the counter. Do you see her being bad? Emmy, what are you doing? Oh my gosh. Are you being so nice? Caught in the act. Come here. You're who everyone wants to see, not me. Come here. Look at this box. Like, seriously, look how cute. I know. Emmy, look how cute they package this up. It's always like this. A little flower here. Oh my god, Emmy, look at this. And there's some string, too. Purple Haze is the theme. There's a sticker here. These are not scented, but you're smelling. Here you go. Oh, it might be turning toxic. Purple Haze. Maybe if they... Wait, is that what it's called? I think it's a line of, you know, Mary J. that I'll use over there. Oh my god, right off the bat, everything is so color coordinated and looks so lovely and is all purple. Oh my god. I love purple. Let's see where the little card is. If I seem tired, I am. I filmed 6 videos yesterday. Most of them were for my other channel, Kitty Outside the Box, which if you guys want your May horoscopes, that's what I was filming and I posted last night. But anyways, that's why. But back to this. They always have a little pamphlet here. All the items come from like small local Canadian businesses, and all of the amounts here, the prices are in Canadian dollars, just FYI. And this month we showcase the different shades of one of the most popular feminine colors. Yeah, intuition, baby. So I'm just going to set this aside. I want to see what this is. Is this a bag? This beautiful purple string. Like, seriously, if you get this subscription, save the stuff for future wrapping or for entertainment of cats. Oh, this is a bag. This is really cute. Oh my god, it's like a water print. That is so pretty. It's like a painting on your tote bag. It is a zipper closure. You can fit a lot in here. You can definitely fit your laptop. There's one side. Love it. This is so cool. I feel like more artsy if I wore this. I'm trying to be more creative, express myself creatively. So let's see what's in this bag. Seriously, look how they wrap things. Reuse it. Even though I know I say this every time I open it, but seriously, so cute. Even this is purple. What do we have here, Emmy? Oh my god, cute! I'll put this in my hair. Look at it. It's like a little clip or bra. I almost said bralette. Why can't I think of the name of what they are? I don't think it was focusing. Sorry. There it goes. Very spring, and I love floral print. Even though it's not a print, let's see. What is the right word for this? Well, it just says hair clip, so there isn't some fancy word. What was I trying to think of? I don't know. How could I? Oh man. I need to redo my hair. I do it around the 1st of every month, so it's like then. I don't know, but I think that could be really cute if I had a mirror in front of me. I love it. I seriously will use this in a future video. I'll use it right now. I'm kind of a hot mess. Okay, let's keep going. Ooh, I think we've gotten something from this brand before. This is likely soap. Nature's Art. It says something else. There's like this piece of wood here. I think they're a very eco-friendly company. Oh, it smells good. Let me come back. It is soap. Handmade soap, lilac and blackberry. It smells so good. And it's cute too. I used to not use bar soaps, but I got so many like nicely fragranced, beautiful, like handmade soaps in past boxes, like all different boxes, and I started using them, and now I'm a fan. I think these handmade ones versus like commercial soaps are more moisturizing. And something about like the old school soaps I don't like, but I use these now, and I really like getting them. And it smells so good. And something wrapped up here with a little freaking butterfly sticker. So cute. Emmy, look, there's more string. Oh, there you are. Hi. Okay, first. You like unboxings like we do? Here, Emmy. She's a little overwhelmed right now. Ooh, is this like a Trinket tray? It is. I was just saying, like, was it yesterday's video or the day before that I love little trays and dishes just to like pick up really quick and to make things look less cluttered in the home. This is really pretty. I feel like I wouldn't even want to put anything on it. It's so cute. But I love stuff like this. I think I might put this in my kitchen. Again, here it is. Oh my god, stuff is really nice this month. I love it. And then this cute bag for the next item. I'm gonna guess it's jewelry, but let's see. Emmy, will you come over here? I know you guys want to see her. Oh my god, we have dragonfly earrings. Another thing I said really recently in a video was that dragonflies are special to me. I'm really happy. I will definitely be wearing these. I literally just said that. I love dragonflies. And of course they're purple because the theme is Purple Haze. And awesome. We are not done. We have 2 more things. Look at the wrapping. I feel like I have to show you the wrapping of each item because it's so adorable. There's this little, I need to save this little. Oh my god. Anyone that's like buying anything from my Mercari page or as a giveaway winner, you'll probably see some of the wrapping. So we have something from Trinket Cosmetics like usual, and this is a lip gloss in the shade Crystal Clear. Let's take a look. And then there's a lip balm as well. A Clear Lips Natural Lip Balm Candy Tart. Ooh. I'm not going to open this right now because I have lip balm open. I don't think they're really good. Don't focus on me. There's Annie. Hi, baby. Look at all this new stuff. Well, you were once a stray little cat. I like this company. They give some of their proceeds to animal shelters. Nice. A clear gloss. I've been going through my makeup and trying stuff I haven't used in a while, like seeing if I'm going to declutter it or not, and I feel like I look a little crazy. I usually don't use concealer under my eyes, so if I look like really different in each video, it's because I'm trying out different stuff. It's kind of fun. And last but not least, we have something by Gourmet du Village. Purple color changing seahorse milkshake. Oh my god, yum. So I've gotten their drink mixes before, never this one specifically, but they're always so good. Oh my god, that sounds so good. So you need vanilla ice cream. I don't have any, but it's a good excuse to get some. So you blend the milkshake mix, vanilla ice cream, and milk in a blender. It changes to purple. That's really cute. See, didn't every single item go with the theme? And they how they package everything is so freaking cute. There's even purple tissue paper. So let's do a quick recap. We have the dragonfly earrings, the gloss, the drink, the soap, the trinket tray. This pretty clip. I really like this because I for a second I thought it looked like a butterfly, but it's like clover. And the tote bag that's beautiful. This might be one of my favorite months. I'm trying to think. I think the earrings, yeah. What do you think, Emmy? Do you like these? Yeah? Emmy agrees. These are the winner. This is my favorite item from the back. I love that bag too. Something about this. Maybe my grandpa is like 94, 95. I should know that, but he does art. He's been practicing art like forever. He's like I think he really does well with watercolors. That's what he's into, and it just reminds me of him too. And my brother's an artist too, but my grandpa's the one who's really into water paints. I'm probably even saying it wrong. I don't even know much about it, but every year for Christmas they send a card with his artwork on it, and I just love it, and I love them, and I miss them. But I love the colors of this. Another thing I said recently is that I don't need any more bags, but that one I'm going to keep for myself. I will definitely use that. I don't have a big bag like that. That's so cute. Okay. How many times can I say cute in a video? But I really liked it, you guys. I've liked every brown paper packages. But I think this is my favorite jewelry piece. Sometimes the jewelry isn't like totally my style. But this I really like because I love the symbolism. It's important to me and it's pretty. So let me know what you think down below. Thank you for being here. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know what you think. Sorry Emmy wasn't super cooperative, but you gotta peek at her. I know you guys always comment on that. But yeah, link down below if you want to subscribe to Brown Paper Packages. Thank you again for sending me this box. I loved it, if you couldn't tell. But that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you so much.